everyone. I'm Javon.
And I'm Kayla.
And welcome to our channel,
Lee Fam Reacts.
Alright, you guys, so today we are bringing you Chainsaw Man episode 10. This one is titled Bruised and Battered, or Battered and Bruised, or something like that.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound good.
Yeah. Last episode, we got to see Makima's powers, where she was like twisting everybody up, doing all the, remember? Mm-hmm. And then, you got something on me?
We had like a beard hair sticking on.
Yeah, so we got to see part of her powers. I believe part of her powers. I don't think that's her only power. And then one of the interns died. Himeno died. Kobeni, she rescued Denji from those people.
Oh, right. Yep.
And then, so pretty much, I think they're working with the Gun Devil. Will we see the Gun Devil by the end of the season?
I hope so. I feel like I've been waiting for that forever now. Everybody talks about him. I want to see him. Let's see what he looks like. Make
sure you guys check out our Patreon. We have full length and early reactions over there. We're going to leave a link in the description. Just make sure you show some love. All right?
Thank you for your patronage.
Okay. Glad to see he's reattached. Here we got sliced in half. Yeah, you didn't fight back though. So coming back to him. Get out with some cigarettes. Tasty meal. Dang.
It's not a lot of time. I'm sad she died.
I know. Literally for no reason at all. It's crazy because remember how like it was always her partners dying? And now she was the one who died.
Well, that's a big reason as to why she did what she did. I think.
It's grieving. Look how cute he is. I was about to say, yeah, you might be hurt off that one. Boy.
私たち牧野さんに頼まれて京都から得意音歌を指導に来ました。そのリンゴ食べていいですか？
I know how strong they are.
Yeah, if they're coaching them.
君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。
It's the one that what's her name was talking to. Even though.
Mm-hmm.
彼の名前仲間が死んでどう思った？別に死んだと思った。敵に復讐してるから。復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。わしも。お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ。俺を面倒見てくれる方。待ってる方。お前たちみたいのはめったにいない。素晴らしい。大好きだ。
Can't be weak in this game. That's pretty much what he's saying. Got your feelings out.
お前は帰れ。今すぐこいつらを指導。
Right now, as you walk away.
じゃああとはよろしく。牧野さん？好きなのは酒と女と馬を殺すことだ。
Sounds pretty generic. Ooh.
Don't sound good.
Dang. Straight like that. Rule number 1. Never let your guard down.
Yeah. Rule number 1. Trust nobody.
筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。首の骨を俺は動けなくなる。
You broke their necks.
貴様と違うのは死ぬ匂いじゃ。潮の目が復活する。
Yeah, that's right. That's what happened when he did the Eternity Devil, remember?
何しやがる。牧野にお前たちを鍛えてくれと頼まれた。お前の真相がなぜか知らんが、銃の悪魔に狙われ
Yeah.
た。お前が借りた
Why though?
雑魚だから困ってんだ。
What's so special about Pochita?
なんでさっきわしらを締めた？ベンジ。
Don't sleep on him. We're about to hit you with a drunken fist.
He said, doo-doo-doo.
Hey, the quick 3 Ps. Yeah, humble yourself. Ooh, right to the head. Head gone. Ooh, the throat.
男の方は不死身、魔人の方は半分に不死身。とっさに人の頭をぶん殴る脳みそを見つけている。二人の関係はない。
I'd be like, I'm done. No, thank you.
Mostly because you, I mean, even though they can heal, you can still
You
feel
still feel the pain.
Yeah. Ko's dead.
ほら、
Remember the freaking katana one? Like, sliced it in there?
もう二度と狐を使わせてもらえへん。
Oh, I thought it got killed.
その刀も呪いの悪魔のやつやろ。それもあとどれくらい使えんの？指導ってのはそういうことか。
I wonder what kind of devil he's gonna make a contract with.
来てますよ。じゃ、
Makima.
Is it a family member?
That's what I'm thinking, but didn't his family get wiped out?
I
by the
thought
devil?
so, yeah.
明日家に向かい
I don't know what else would cause that reaction, you know?
Yeah. What a concept. Strategy. Yeah. Shout out Shikamaru. Stop the cap. He knows. Dodged. I told you, that boy's
God.
cold. That's cold. Oh, son. I like him.
I was gonna say, they're not gonna do any damage to him, though.
Just, come on, bro.
Knock those glasses
Yeah.
right off your face.
Don't pray.
You ain't smart.
They have a combined IQ of 1. And you're dead.
Right in his head.
Little parting gift. Hey,
He's kind of morbid.
I like him. I wonder if he looks just like her. Probably talking about him in the letters. Oh, how Dark's gonna pause this. There it is.
My eyesight is awful.
Well, they did play really small. If they pull up another one, I ain't read it. Okay, that one's short.
I want to read them. You can stop sending me rice.
I guess we could have just read it. I don't know how long you're gonna have it on the screen for. So they should be working here. You should have this.
Some McGregor walk.
Wanna have your head bouncing off the canvas? Future? Red skull.
This is the devil he has a contract with. Jeez.
See, I was also always under the assumption that it's like one person. Like,
Per devil.
yeah, but multiple people can.
I guess it depends on what that devil does. You know?
Like its abilities.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Is that an eyeball? Mm-hmm.
And
Look at all the pups.
all right, you guys, that was episode 10 of Chainsaw Man. So they're just kind of recovering from that one. So Aki's about to get trained up by the people from the first division, right?
Fourth. No, they are the fourth.
Yeah.
So the first, yes.
So he's gonna get trained up by the two. I don't know if they're twins or what, but they got the same scar on their face.
Oh yeah, they do.
And then Power and Denji are
And
getting
Denji are
trained
getting
up
trained
by
the
the blonde dude.
what's her name?
The Joker.
What's her name? The one that passed away.
You know?
Himeno. by her teacher.
Yeah. Pretty sure it was her teacher.
Yeah.
Or somebody
that she was close with, talked to.
But he was cold.
Dude.
He was like.
He said, huh.
Alter
You
instinct.
thought.
But no, I really interested to see what this future double is or what it does.
Yeah.
I mean,
their conversation. I'm interested to see what they talk about, and if the future double takes a liking to Aki, like we said, or like they said.
yeah, the level up. Either season 1 will end with them maybe fighting the gun devil, or maybe just even finding him,
or finding out like where he's at to go to him.
There's only 2 episodes left, so I don't know. It's hard to see what it is.
I want to
they
say
need to level up first.
right, but I want to say like my prediction is like last episode they're gonna know where he is and they're gonna go to him. But I don't think they'll show it in the first season.
Or Gun Devil pulls out last episode, kills everybody, season done.
I don't think that's gonna happen, especially for season 2.
Well, I don't think they announced season 2 yet, so.
Then maybe.
I don't think. At least, I don't know. Did they announce season 2? Let me know in the comments. But, great episode, you guys. We enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you guys click that notification bell so you don't miss out when our reactions drop next. Until then, Lee fam.
See you at the next reaction.